All right, so I've been checking out HTMX in the previous video, and yeah, just reading through the docs. Got the basic idea. Not going to read through the whole set of docs, obviously. I want to start doing some. Okay, so this is like an API reference examples. Okay, this is something more along the lines of what I'm looking for now. Okay, server examples and UI examples. Okay, so I guess the docs have always been talking about docs, the HTMX usage in the front end itself, like a front end framework would, except that it's not a framework. It seems more like a front end library. Yeah, it's what I classify it as rather than a front end framework. So let's check this out. Close that. All right, server-side examples. Okay, there's an awesome HTMX. That's always a good start. Some Node.js examples. Probably we'll get to one of these, but not right off the bat. Okay, so the rest of it is just different languages. Okay, I like the haiku over here. JavaScript fatigue, longing for hypertext already in hand. That's actually a perfect haiku for this. Okay, so let's check out this awesome list. I've probably got quite up-to-date lists. Okay, what do I want to check out? All right, so this is some blog posts. I haven't heard of Torso before, but HTMX plus Express is probably something I'm gonna look for. This will be interesting at some point in time. Not for now. No, I want to just get a basic tutorial out. Okay. Tools. Okay, so these are like plugins and stuff. Maybe this. Check it out. Some videos, 100 seconds. Okay. Solving JavaScript. Okay, so this seems a bit more theoretical. So there's this. Actually, all these videos seem like they would be more academic. None of them seem to say, like, let's do it now with a demo. Okay. Let's see. All right, let's just skip to the HTML.js. I think I'll go for Express because the front end stuff is going to be, mostly about a framework, which is what I'm trying to avoid. Okay, so let's go with this one. Maybe GitHub profile search. That seems fairly easy enough because you just have to. Your backend would just pretty much be proxying a GitHub API, so that kind of works. All right, I've got 3 new tabs open. So let's find out what this Torso is. Torso is a database. Apparently, I've heard of it before. Okay, so it looks like you're building a basic CRUD app. Okay, so it's using Express, templating, SQL database. Right, this bog standard Express stuff. Blah blah blah. Okay, so easy standard stuff. Okay. So torso must be some. So I can just find out what it is for a sec. SQLite. Right. Okay, so it's like a SaaS provider for SQLite. That's great. Blah blah. Let's see whether it's got a. Okay, it's got a starter plan. That seems more than enough for proof of concepts. Okay, that's great. So I'll check it out later. So this seems viable. It's not too vendor lock-in-ish, which is, tend to default to that until proven otherwise. So index route. Okay, so this is a select star. Entire HTML page rendered in pug syntax. Not sure that's so great for a tutorial. I'd rather it just be in HTML, like regular HTML. Maybe it's something worth exploring. Okay. Okay, so yeah, this is your bog standard CRUD application. This looks promising, but I'd want I think like not having pug in it would be less of a distraction. Worth checking out. Alright, let's check out FastHX. Alright, so this is using Ginger templates with a Python backend. Alright, now I'm gonna stick to Node.js. Alright. Okay, I was hoping that this would be a tutorial, but there isn't one. I guess I wish there were more tutorials, like actual step-by-step tutorials. Okay, so I think most likely I'll follow this tutorial. That I guess the tutorials come on the blog post, so maybe I should look into this section a bit more. Alright, so that one. Let's check out this dev.to. Aha. So this does look like it's a tutorial that corresponds, or you'll end up with this repo in the end. The author's name matches the GitHub user profile name, so that checks out. Again with Pug, okay, I guess I'll just have to roll with it. Okay, so we've got Express, and we're doing this, and we're fetching GitHub from the GitHub API and just relaying that back. But rendered. This compile probably should sit outside of the this compile probably should sit outside of the API as an API request, but yeah, so you can see that's the compiled template, and then the data is being sent into it, and then that's what's being responded to. So basically it's sending the file. Okay, I think I'll do this tutorial selected, and then I even have this one, which is the end result, which is great. Let's actually check out the end result. Okay, yeah. Let's try it again, maybe. Okay, so Heroku's free plan probably just kicked him out. Okay, I think I'll actually do this tutorial in the next one.